Ladies and gentlemen, this is your pilot speaking. My name is Zeno. I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day. And today, again, I have an absolutely awesome drag race for you. And this time, it is an SUV edition. And as you can tell, it will be between the BMW X4 M Competition, the Mercedes-Benz GLC 63S, and last but not least, we brought you a Jag. It has more power, however, we'll see how it performs in just a moment. Are you ready? Let's go! But before we do that, let's cover some specs, and most importantly, we're gonna do a sound check in just a moment. So, let's see what do we have here in the X4M. 3-liter twin-turbo inline 6-cylinder engine with 510 horsepower, 600 Newton meters of torque and weighs around 2 tons. It comes with 8-speed automatic ZF gearbox with launch control, and according to BMW, it should be doing 0 to 100 in 4.1 seconds. But we all know it will be much faster than that. On the other hand, it is the Mercedes GLC 63S, and it is absolutely awesome with its 4-liter twin-turbo V8 with 510 horsepower and 700 Newton meters. Again, 2 tons, 9-speed automatic gearbox with launch control, and Mercedes claims 0 to 100 in 3.8 seconds. Last but not least, we brought you a Jag. It comes with a 5-liter supercharged V8 in this SVR version, and according to Jag, it should sprint from 0 to 100 in 4.3 seconds. No launch control from this 8-speed automatic gearbox, and it is the heaviest of them all at 2.1 tons. So who's gonna win? Let's find out. Oh, it's between me and the BMW. Neck and neck, and that's it from me. so slow. Once we reach the line, go. Oh, that's my race. Now the mark is coming. Before we move on to the results, couple of variables I really want to mention so you can get clear where we are at. First of all, the Jag is with winter tires and the other two are still with their summer tires. Today we had temperatures of 13 degrees, quite cloudy day with very dry tarmac on the runway, and most importantly we have elevation of 600 meters, which is around 2000 feet, with a wind of around 10 knots or around 20 kilometers on the nose. So all these variables do play a role. Also, the Mercedes and the Jaguar were with full tanks, as you can see, and the BMW X4 M came with half a tank of fuel. So this difference in the fuel might also play a role. With that said, let's start with the stats. We got the best 0 to 100 time in the Jag, and it might be because of my bad reactions or because of the lack of launch control. To move on to the Mercedes GLC 63S, we got a very amazing results today, and it performed great, especially with that full tank of fuel. 0 to 100 time, 3.57 seconds and a quarter mile of 11.7. Absolutely crazy results. And last but not least, the BMW X4 M Competition. Again, another stunning car by BMW. And we have the GPS results with a 0 to 100 time, much better than the claimed 4.1 seconds from BMW, and a 3.75 second to 100 and a quarter mile of 11.73 seconds. As you probably saw in the drag race, the BMW was the much faster car at higher speeds compared to the GLC. So overall, doesn't matter who got the most points, all of these cars, especially the two Germans, are very fast and impressive performance machines. And with that said, please comment down below which car did you like the most, which car sounded the best. I think it was the Jag, and actually it was the only race that it won. And if you made it out for the video, hit that like button so we can grow. Consider subscribing to the channel, and you can also add me at Pilot Seno and tell me what cars do you want to see next. Otherwise, you might be stuck up with boring electric cars in the future. Thank you so much. Till next time.